Do you want that lifestyle? To be rich beyond your wildest dreams? Today, I will tell you how that kind of money is being made using AI influencers. Right now, AI influencers are not just changing the game. They're rewriting the rules and earning millions effortlessly. Stay tuned. This video is going to give you a way out of the 9-to-5 slavery. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a digital nomad seeking a hands-free business, this video is for you. So, let's jump right in. In a few seconds, I will show you how you can create your very own AI influencer, an influencer that can make a lot of money for you. We will first think about what we want to create. For now, think about the niche you would like to tap into. For instance, fitness or travel, perhaps lifestyle, finances. The opportunities are endless. Just pick one. Then we will use an online generative tool to generate the images for your influencer. I will walk you through the process here quickly. You can learn more about generating AI content by signing up to the AI Cash Cow free course. You can find the link below. I basically create weekly videos teaching you how to start and send them to you for you to grow and scale your influencer. I also tell you what nobody else will tell you, other ways to make a ton of money with AI. This is the AI gold rush, and if you don't act now, you will miss the opportunity. Anyways, I don't have any courses or coaching to sell you. I'm just sharing free value with you to grow our community. With that in mind, let's go and generate some images. There are a number of image generation tools available, but I will show you how to use Leonardo.ai. It is very easy to use and it is free. I will keep it simple so you get the idea and see how easy it is. First, before we generate the influencer, think about what you want her to look like. Be specific. For instance, blonde, blue eyes, slim, etc. Where is she from? What does she do for a living or her area of expertise? What does she like doing for fun? Create your influencer on your mind first. Then you will know what to tell the AI system and you end up with the influencer you truly want. Now, so let's create your influencer. Step 1, go to Leonardo.ai. Step 2, create an account. Step 3, generate images. Simple, right? Let's take a look at the interface and how to generate your influencer's images. When you log in, this is the workspace you'll see. This part here shows you have some credit. You're given some free credit every 9 hours, enough to generate a lot of images. You can of course also upgrade so you have more credits. The number of images control allows you to select how many images to generate at the same time. I would go for a low number so you don't waste your free credit if the prompt is not good enough. More on prompts later, because they are the most important part when generating AI images from text. Leave all of the settings with their default values for now. Later you can play around with them. You can select the size you want your images to be. A note here, bigger is not always better. I found that smaller dimensions tend to produce better results. You can upscale the images later anyhow. The guidance scale, aka CFG scale, which stands for Classifier Free Guidance Scale, is a parameter that controls how much the image generation process follows the text prompt. The higher the value, the more the image sticks to a given text input. The default is 7 in most systems, but do play around with it so you learn how to use it. On the right, you have the prompt and generation area. Below the prompt area, you can see a few options. It is good that the model selected here is a photorealistic one. You want realistic models when working with influencer creation. You can change this model, but for this video, I will keep to the basics. The aim is to create your influencer and start growing a following for her. This means to start monetizing and earning ASAP. You can see some other options below the prompt area. Image guidance basically allows you to use an image as the basis for image creation. This is actually a powerful feature. I will show you what I mean later. Now let's write your first prompt. Depending on the influencer's characteristics, it will look something like this. Attractive blonde, 23 years old female influencer, sitting in her trendy apartment in New York, sipping water and smiling at the camera. Click generate and the images will show in the image display area. So here are our images. They are pretty good. As free generative tools go, they are even great. Detailed, photorealistic. Under the image, you will see a few controls with options like download, remove background, and so on. Leonardo might give you a non-safe for work warning, but to be honest, I have never seen a true NSFW image generated by Leonardo. The images that get the warning usually show a little bit more skin, but are hardly NSFW content. If you get an NSFW warning, just click the button to view the image and it will be displayed. You can see from these images that Leonardo's idea of NSFW is not exactly accurate. The images are actually pretty good. Now, let's change the prompt. Let's include more detail and make sure the images generated look like the same person. One way to get his level of consistency during image generation is to give the influencer a name of something that doesn't exist so we don't confuse the AI. So let's call our influencer Mandis, with 2 S's. You can also tell Leonardo where she is from, so the AI will use known characteristics for that region. You can tell Leonardo what your influencer is wearing, or even describe where she is, and what she is doing. We want full-length images, not cropped, so let's include that too. The more detailed your prompt, the better, because your AI influencer is a business, and you want to generate lifestyle type of images that will allow you to monetize her when you build her following. I will change the type of image to creative too. We click generate and voila. Now, I want to go back to image guidance. In generative AI circles, we call this image to image. When you go to the image guidance tab, you can select a source image and change settings for image generation. The source image will be used by Leonardo to create similar images. How similar depends on the strength value. This is the image guidance basically. I will increase it to 0.47. We will leave the same prompt as before, although you could use this prompt to tell Leonardo of any changes you're looking for. For instance, instead of red dress, a black one. You can change anything about the image using the prompt and the strength control. Okay, let's click generate. The generated images will be displayed on the Generation History tab. As you can see, the images are very similar copies of the original. Using this tool is so powerful because it allows you to generate images based on something that already exists, instead of only a text prompt. So now I've covered the basics here. You learned how to create and monetize an AI influencer. You are in a position to start and get ready to turn your influencer into a business that generates real revenue. But I absolutely want you to use what you have learned, and to start today. So I will conclude this video with a bonus, to give you even more reasons to take action. I'm giving the first 5 people that sign up today for the free AI Cash Cow course, using the link below, a gift. I will send you a secret hack for image to image that will allow you to create incredible real-life images for your influencer. Because the better your content, the easier it will be for your influencer to get sponsorship and get paid to do shoutouts. Yep, I also cover how to easily add products to your generated images in this free course. You don't even get this invaluable information if you pay to learn. My reward is knowing I have contributed something positive. I believe in paying it forward. I can't wait to see you taking action and grabbing your slice of the AI money pie. See you on the inside.